Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I am sharing with you my post-wash result. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Shambo from Happy Living Now, where we share everything money management, maximizing wealth, and living a happy and rich life. Alright guys, so as stated in the intro of this video, today is just a quick video to show you my post-wash results. Today is 2 days post microloc installation since I wrapped up my microloc installation, and I decided to wash my hair because, you know, if you would have checked out my last video, you would have known that it had been a month since I last washed my hair. So of course, going from usually washing my hair every 2 weeks to not having washed my hair for a month, my hair was a bit flaky and itchy, and so I figured since I'm done washing my hair, since I'm done installing my locks, I would go ahead and wash my hair to start afresh. So this is the post-wash result. As you can see, it looks a little bit more coily than pre-wash, of course, and it has a little bit more body to it. When I before I washed it, parts of my hair were a little bit more coily than others. Again, this part was oldest because it was installed first, so of course it had shrank a bit. It had coiled up a little bit more, as opposed to the back where I finished last. It was a bit straighter. Now since I've washed, they have a little bit more body and a little bit more bounce to them, and I like how it looks. Actually, it feels a little bit more, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, you can see the curls in there. Let me just give you a 360. Hold up and back up. Okay, so this is the side and the back, and the other side and the front. So of course I didn't experience any type of slippage along the front perimeters of my hair. I didn't get any slippage there. However, I did experience slippage at the back, I think in 2 parts. I'm gonna grab my mirror and try to show you. All right, I'm back. All right, so the 2 parts, I know when I installed my hair, again, like I told you before, I cut my hair because the back was breaking, and so there are parts of my hair on this side, on the left side of my hair at the back, that had a little bit of breakage, like the breakage had started making its way up to that area of my hair. And so I tried to install locks there. I kind of twisted and then interlocked. It was a little bit difficult, but those 2 were the extreme short ones that had a little bit of breakage in there, and so when I washed my hair, I felt that they slipped out and they're fully like undone. They've become fully undone, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to show you, and then I'm gonna have to reinstall them, try to reinstall them again. So let's see. Let me make sure that you can see. Am I in focus? Let me turn the camera a bit. Okay. All right, so the slippage that I got right here, this all became undone, right? And then, so this was one. I think I had another one. This one is a little bit loose, but it didn't become totally undone. I could have spun. Let's see. Yeah, so all this, both of these was 2. let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. So this one right here was previously 2 locks, and then they slipped out, but you can see how short the hair is right here. Right, you can see how short the hair is right here, and that's because the slippage had made its way through. Did you see this? I don't know if you guys can see. I want to make sure that you guys can see and that I'm in focus, but right here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to reinstall these ones. Maybe I'll just make it one. I mean, at this point, oh, too close, sorry. I may have to reinstall it, and at this point I may just have to combine it and make it 1 lock instead of 2, because it's too thin to make it 2 locks. I believe that's why it slipped out anyways once the water hit it. So I might have to make it 1 lock. It's gonna throw my parting off, but quite honestly, it is what it is. I mean, when I was trying to install my locks, I tried to keep the parting as neat as possible, but I know eventually once the hair starts locking and I start interlocking my hair, the parting and the cleanness of the parting is not even gonna matter anymore. So really, if it comes down to me having to preserve my hair versus maintaining clean partings, I'm gonna try to preserve my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I wanted to just stop by and give you guys an update on what my hair looked like on post-wash results. And this is my hair. I am liking it. It's a very cute style for the summer. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it air dry. Really, it's already halfway dried really, and so I'm just gonna let it continue air drying. And once it's dried, I may just spritz it a little bit with water and give it a very little bit of oil, not too much, because of course I don't want to put too much products on my hair. So I just intend on maybe just spritzing it just a little bit of oil, just to give it some shine. But I imagine for the first couple months until my hair is fully locked, I'm not going to be giving it that many products. Not that I intend on using that many products on my hair in the first place, but I wouldn't be giving it as much as I would typically. So I hope you guys enjoyed my post-wash results. I just wanted to stop by and show you guys what it looked like, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. If you have any video suggestions that you'd like to see from me, drop them down in the comment box below as well. I'm looking forward to reading your comments and your questions. And yeah, you guys will catch me in the next one. Until then, live happy, live rich, and be blessed.